How to set speed limit on Apple Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can activate the speed limit on Apple Maps. After the expansion of mobile phones, maps took on a completely new role. They have become navigation for all people. However, since we have various types of transport, we can see that for some the speed limit does not appear on Apple Maps. This is very dangerous and can endanger our safety. How can we fix it? Open the settings on your phone. Scroll through the options until you find the Maps app. When you find it, tap on it. When the application settings have opened, find the Directions section. Here we are offered several options from which we will choose driving. When the option is opened in the Show and Navigation section, we need to tap on the Speed Limit option and in this way activate the display of the speed limit on our navigation. In this way, we will always know what the speed limit is on the part of the road we are on. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.